Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options in Play video update. First off, just want to say thanks to those of you guys that stuck around yesterday for our option session. Among a few things we spoke about, we covered rolling options and hedging around events. And one of the other things which I just want to like quickly walk through is um, one of these like 2 week time frame trades. All right, so we always are we don't always have one open, but we're always on the hunt for them. A trade on either the commodities or the Qs or the spiders or the Russell, right? Where things kind of line up for like a 2 week window trade where it seems like they're really prepping for a big move. And right now, it seems like the Qs are kind of in that spot, and they're really prepping for a big move over the next 2 weeks. So let me walk through it. First, technicals, right? Right now, you can see the Qs over the last week have really formed like this back and forth consolidation zone right underneath the 50-day and the 8 EMA, right? What's interesting is that it comes at almost the exact same spot to where it did at the end of February into the beginning of March, right? And then at the exact same spot it was at the end of January. In this case, when it broke, it went on a 20 plus point move to the upside, right? And then in this case, when it broke, it went on about a 25 point move to the downside, right? So with the Qs here, there's plenty of room lower, right? If it breaks 320 below, and also on the upside, there's gaps to be filled, multiple gaps to be filled, and there's like kind of like an air pocket up until like the 360s if things really start to get going, right? So it seems like again with the Qs at the same spot, we could be prepping for a 20 plus point move in either direction over the course of the next 2 weeks, right? Because both times this was a matter of days. All right, 2 weeks. The reason why I keep talking 2 week time frame. What's on the calendar? Next week is a gigantic week of earnings. You have all the tech titans reporting next week over Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, in addition to like a ton of other companies. So a huge week of earnings. The following week, so that first week of May, the FOMC rate decision day, right? So that Wednesday, the Fed is likely going to raise rates again. And what's interesting is that this session right here was the last FOMC. That's when they raised rates for the first time this year, right? And what happened was it led to a significant follow-through rally to the upside after it. So you have a few things coming up on the calendar, and you got a
Remember,
very
just
interesting
following up in
technical
regards
setup.
to
And
Fed
I feel
spots,
like
it's
right
really
now we're
speaking
at a
of
spot
CQC. It
where
seems to be the same headlines
it really could start to set up for like that 2 week window trade. So this is something we broke down. We talked about option pricing, maybe like targets, and something I want to throw out there because to me it seems kind of of an interesting brewing pattern right now on something I'm certainly going to be focused on. Okay. Um, so if you like this video and you're looking for more of these types of trades where, like the 2 week window where you can target with some options, maybe like straddles or strangles, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Hope you have a great night. Stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.